Class plus one, chapter second, relation and functions. So first we discuss relations. Relation आप सभी को पता है सामाजिक परिवेश के अंदर रिलेशंस फादर्स मदर्स सन डॉटर्स ये रिलेशंस हमारे पास होते हैं. बट इन मैथमेटिक्स रिलेशन इज ग्रेटर लेस perpendicular parallel. This is the relations of between two lines digits. One digit is greater than others, one less than others, one line is perpendicular, other parallels, etc. are the relation in mathematics. Now after this, ordered pair. In ordered pair, we have write these ordered pair. A pair of object of a relations we write A and B. This is the ordered pair. In ordered pair we write this is the first component या element. First element. And this is your second element. We say that component and element is same. Now in ordered pair we write these in this type. Not write this. This is the set. This is the set. This is the wrong method to write the ordered pair. We write the ordered pair in this types. Now equality of या equal of ordered pair. दो ordered pair equal होंगे if first component first के equal होता है, second component second के equal होता है. It means ए बी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है और सी डी के इक्वल है, देन फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ दिस ए एंड फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ दिस सी. इफ ए इक्वल टू सी है तो देन दीज आर इक्वल एंड बी इक्वल टू आल्सो डी, देन दीज कंपोनेंट दीज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आर इक्वल, अदरवाइज नॉट. नाउ सम बेसिक्स concept of these also say that if AB equal to B, now we discuss this, AB is equal to BA. No, here if A is equal to B, then A is equal to B, B is equal to E, then these are equal. Now if AB not equal to BA, then we say that A not equal to B. यदि A B के इक्वल नहीं है तो ये ऑर्डर्ड पेयर भी इसके इक्वल नहीं होगा. ये तो तभी संभव होगा जब A इसके इक्वल आए, B के इक्वल हो जाए, B इक्वल टू A. मैंने पहले बताया फर्स्ट जो एलिमेंट है या कंपोनेंट है दूसरे ऑर्डर पेयर के फर्स्ट के इक्वल हो, सेकंड के इक्वल होता है तो ही दोनों कंपोनेंट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आपके इक्वल होंगे, अन्यथा इक्वल नहीं होंगे. इसके बाद ordered pairs. If we multiply these, let us take that ordered pair to non-empty set. Find A cross B. In Cartesian product, we have find A cross B. A cross B in ordered pair such that A belong to A and B belong to B. This is the Cartesian product of this, and this right is, let us suppose A is the set of element x, y. B is the set of element 2, 4, 6. Now we write the Cartesian product of these two. Now A cross B is equal to, this is the first component and this is second component. We first component. We write these component in ordered pair, not the product. We write this x2. Now we multiply. This is the multiply A cross B, first component, and B first component. Likely these x4, x6, and similar to y, y2, y4, y6. This is the Cartesian product of these two sets. Now in these two sets, here the number of element is also countable. Here the number of element set A is equal to 2 and number of element set B is equal to 3. Now we multiply these, we get 6. Now these are the Cartesian product, cross product of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6 ordered pair of these Cartesian product. In Cartesian product, we have remembered that A cross B never be equal to B cross A. A क्रॉस बी यानी A और B की प्रोडक्ट करते हम और B और A की प्रोडक्ट करते हैं सिमिलरली लाइक दिस, ये कभी भी इक्वल नहीं होंगी इस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर। जैसे हियर B क्रॉस A निकालते 2x, दिस इज 2y, 4x, 4y, 6x and 6y. Now look here, it is the x to 2x. Now here the first component x, here the first component of a 2. So then AB and BA are not equal. Now after this there are ग्राफिकल मेथड भी यहाँ हमारे पास होता है। x और y के अंदर दिखाते हैं हम ऑर्डर पेयर के अंदर दिए हुए हो, वैल्यू हो 1 2 3 4 लाइक दिस, 4 5 6 7 8। इफ 1 5 का पेयर है, 2 6 का पेयर है, 3 7 4 8। तो नाउ दीज आर आल्सो द शो द waves of two graphical, and last is to show arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. This is the last relations features of this. In this is the set of A element is x, y, and B is the element of 2 4 6. If we x multiply this and y multiply this, these are the last of the arrow diagram in this relation. Find the value x and y if first part and second part of first question are similar. Now we tell that in ordered pair, first component equal to first component of a second order pair, second component equal to second. Now we have write this 2x equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 2. First component equal to 6, second component is equal to 2. Now 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2 यानी कि 3. We put x is equal to 3 in this second equation. Put x is equal to 3 in equation second. Find the value of y. 3 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 minus 3. Y is equal to minus 1. Hence the x is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1. This is the value of x and y. Second part is same as first part. In this second part we have find the value of x and y. Now we discuss questions number second. Is question number second, a is equal to 1 3 5. These are the element and b is the set of element 2 3. Now we show that a cross b not equal to b cross a. So now we find first of them taking left hand side, and left hand side they say that find a cross b. Now a is the set of element 1 3 5, cross b is the element of set 2 and 3. Now we find the cross product of these sets, यानी Cartesian product. First component multiply this, first component multiply this. We get ordered pair 1 2 1 3. Now take 3 second element to these and this, 3 2 3 3. Now third element 5 2 5 3. These are the Cartesian product of these ordered pair, and this is the set of A cross B. Now we take RHS, and RHS say that find B cross A. 2 3 2 5 and 3 1 3 3 3 5. These are the component of B cross A. Now we observe that this is 1 2, this is 2 1, this is 3 2, this is 2 3, 5 2 2 5 3 3. these are not equal to both. So hence LHS not equal to RHS. This is your questions number. We have find B intersection of set 3, 4. Intersection C is the 4, 5, 6. Now the common element of both set is only 4. Now this is the B intersection C. Now A cross B intersection C. Now the 2, 4 and 3, 4. These are the set of A cross B intersection C. In second part of this, now in questions number 4, A is the set of X belong to W, X such that X belong to W, X less than 2, and B is the set of X such that X belong to natural number lie between 1 and 5, and C is the set of 3, 5. In these questions we have find A cross B intersection C, A cross B intersection C, and A cross B union C. It is also the like the part of a third, but we make this is set A. In this set he said that X is a whole number which is less than 2. Then the set of element is set of A became number whole number which is less than 2 is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is the whole number less than 2, and this is said that this is the set of element natural number which greater than 1 but less than 5, which means 2, 3 and 4. Now this is the set of element B, and this is your set. First of them we find this intersection. After this we multiply A cross B intersection C. Similarly like questions number 3rd. It is same as questions number 3rd. As it is given that A set, B set and C set, verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now we take in this left hand side, and left hand side say that first we find B intersection C. Here the B intersection C set is B, this is the set B and this is the set of a C. Intersection of these two set, common element only 1, 8, 4. Now A cross B intersection C. Now the element of A is 1, 2, 3 cross 4. Now we write these in ordered pair is 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. This is the set of A cross B intersection C. Now we take right hand side. In right hand side we find the value of A cross B. Now the value of A cross B. First of them we multiply element A and B. Element of A is 1, 2, 3. Cross B is 2, 3, 4. Now this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 4. This is the multiply of A cross B. Now A cross C, 1, 2, 3 is the element of A. Cross C, the element is 4, 5. Now we multiply this 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Now this is the set of A cross C. 4. This ordered pair is common out in both. Then we take one time 1, 4 and other is 2, 4. This is 3, 4. These are three ordered pair which are common in A cross B and B cross A cross B and A cross C. Now we take this is the your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Both have same ordered pair. hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now second part of the first of them find A cross B and A cross C, then union of a both. This is your second part.